In this video, I'll show you how to send abandoned cart messages using Postscript so you can recover lost sales automatically and boost conversions. Start by opening your browser and logging into your Postscript account either with your email and password or through your connected Shopify store. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the left-hand menu, click Messaging, and then select Automations. This is where all automated SMS flows are created. Click Create Automation and choose to start from a template or build one from scratch. Give your automation a clear name so you can easily recognize it later. For the trigger, select Checkout Started, which activates the automation when a customer begins checkout but doesn't complete the purchase. Next, add a delay step. This is important so you don't message customers too quickly. A common and safe option is to send the reminder within 24 to 48 hours. After the delay, add a send message action. This is your abandoned cart SMS. Customize the message using merge tags like the customer's first name, and be sure to include the dynamic cart link so they can return directly to their checkout. Keep the message friendly, short, and action focused. Once everything looks good, save the automation and toggle it on to activate it. That's it. Your abandoned cart messages are now live and will automatically remind customers to complete their purchase, helping you recover more revenue with minimal effort.